Okay, and here's your front door. You walk in, here are the steps. Let's see, this is a closet. Oh, that light helps a lot. Closet. We'd have to figure out the TV situation. TV, I guess, up against the window. Couch there, couch in the middle of the room. I don't know why this is getting so blurry. And here's the half bath. Toilet. Little sink. And here's where the dining room table will go. Nice little chandelier here. This is the lovely kitchen. Whoa, I just about ran into the lovely chandelier. There's Brenda. I mean Vanna White. Nice little open kitchen area with a little bar set up. Places to put bottles. Oh, there we go. Don't have to sell them after all. Little pantry. Washer and dryer.
Sorry, it's just the box.
And then your bedroom, which are a little